The Sonic Alert Sonic Boom Alarm Clock, SB1000SS. The SB1000SS has a 1-inch bright green display with built-in auto dimmer that adjusts brightness of display, dimmer at night, brighter during day. Time and alarm settings are located on the front of the clock and are easy to set. The SB1000SS has a loud 113 decibel alarm with adjustable on-off volume and tone. On the back of the SB1000SS is a lamp outlet. Power to the lamp is controlled by the yellow lamp switch located on the front of the alarm clock. The outlet switch sets the alarm to activate with lamp, vibrator, or both. In addition, these alarms can be adjusted to have a steady or pulsating alert. The test button allows you to test your alert settings. The snooze button provides you with 9 minutes of snooze time and can be reactivated for up to 1 hour from the original alarm setting. This Sonic Boom alarm clock features a built-in remote receiver, which allows the alarm to set off flashing lights, the vibrator, and an audio alarm when it receives a signal from an optional Sonic Alert doorbell, telephone, or sound signaler. All Sonic Boom alarm clocks feature battery backup systems that store your time and alarm settings in the event of a power failure, but will not provide power to the alarm clock. One of the key features of Sonic Boom alarm clocks is the Super Shaker Bed Vibrator. The Super Shaker Bed Vibrator can be easily placed between your mattress and box spring.